Today's market has high expectations for your skill level when it comes to using software. And believe me, you can create amazing content quickly. However, the applications get in the way sometimes. So here's 3 things that you need to look out for that have more to do with them than you. One common mistake that these applications make is they expect you to know their user experience or how to use the app or how to navigate the app immediately. Yeah, they have things like the menus in the upper right-hand corner for most applications. Sometimes it's to the left, sometimes it's down. There's no universal place for their tools and their stuff to be, but their expectation is for you to go and find it, and that doesn't always work out. Another major issue with the new software apps is they expect you to just understand your goals and how their software relates to those goals. So they might do a great job with creating content as far as pictures go, but how does that relate to where you're going to post it? How does that relate to the copy that you need to write with it? And how is that going to relate to your call to action? Right? They expect you to have all of this stuff figured out, and they're just simply a piece of the overall puzzle. And that's not always the case either. And the final thing that really frustrates clients of mine is when they start moving things. It seems like as soon as they have an application figured out, they know their routine, they know where they're going, they know what they're doing, something moves. The form changes, the information they need to put into the application changes, and it feels like they're starting from square one. As we were working with clients, we continued to run into the same problems. So we came up with a solution. The Marketing Launchpad organizes all of your applications into an easy-to-follow checklist. To the right, you'll find instructions that tell you how to use each of the apps and quick start guides. Best of all, we take 3 sessions to train you how to use everything. That's right. In 3 2-hour sessions, we're going to get everything set up for you and make sure you know how to use the Launchpad. In session 1, we'll go over structure. Session 2, we'll talk about your marketing strategy and messaging. In session 3, we'll make sure that we can run through the entire Marketing Launchpad so that you know how to take care of your marketing.